Okay, we'll cover a scenario to identify the differences between catalog item versus record producer. Yeah. So see, basically, catalog item, whenever we fill it, right, whenever user submits a request using catalog item, essentially the request, the RITM, which we call it as requested item, and the third layer, task, yeah, that we call it as catalog task, is created. So this is the flow. And record producer, this is essentially table specific ticket is created. Okay, so we'll do, so a table could be anything like incident, change, or anything. So we'll create a like sh we'll create both of these things real quick. And also I think catalog item, I mean record producer is a type of catalog item. Yeah. So okay, see how you can navigate is if you go to maintain item. Yeah, if you go to maintain item and then create new, so there will be a form uh, to update the information for the catalog item. Or alternatively, because like we already know the table name is sc cat item, you can directly go to sc cat item dot list, and from here also if we select new, so the same form will be available. So let's create one testing catalog item. Yeah. Okay. For testing purposes, we'll just give one variable. Okay. Um, we'll not create much variables and all to make the to keep the video short. So I've created a catalog item with just one variable, right? Asking for the justification. Now let's try it. So this try it feature enables us to like test whatever we have created. Yeah. So yeah, and if we submit the request, with this input. So see, this is the request that is created, right? So this is the flow. Whenever we submit a catalog item, the REQ is created, right? Right below that, there would be RITM, requested item, yeah, and following there would be these tasks, yeah. So we can actually decide which type of task and all we need from the workflow or flow designer. Uh, So this is how it will be like whenever we submit a catalog item, this would be the flow. By default, there we do not have choice, right? This is what ServiceNow out of the box creates REQ, RITM, and task. But here we do have a choice. Yeah, we have choice of which type of record we can create using record producer. So let's check that as well. So in the filter navigator, just type record producer. See again under service catalog, catalog definitions, go to record producers, create new. See name will give test record producer. Uh, See here directly the system is asking us to specify the table name. While creating the catalog item, there was no option. So if we give incident as the table, right? And if we say, yeah, and this is the scripting field, yeah, that allows us to populate the information which should be existing in the new created record. For example, current dot, for example, current dot, so similarly, how we had defined the variables to the previous catalog item, we might need to uh, create variable in the record producers as well, right? So here we have the option to create the variable. So the variables are exactly the same. I'm not going to create it right now. So I just want to because this is intended to get the differences between the catalog item versus record producer. Yeah. So you can create the variables and then test it accordingly. So I would submit a blank request without any values. So see, so it has directly created an incident because we specified the table to be incident, and in the scripting part we had given current dot description whatever we provide in the string value, so it has come up here. Yeah. uh, so again this is like we have a choice to mention which table record or ticket need to be created in. Yeah. So this is the difference between catalog item and record producer. With an example we just found out. So what you can do, those who want to try, they can actually like provide the short description, the caller, and all these values right into the this record producer script. Yeah. So here in the scripting part, we can actually do current dot multiple fields which are available in the incident. And going ahead, if we define some variables, we can actually dynamically set the values. Like how it would be is, see, this is the text given. So for example, if you have a variable uh, name, so what it will be is current dot description is equal to producer dot justification. For example, if you have a variable name called justification, it will be like this. Yeah, so whatever user in gives input in this field will be updated into the description part. Yeah, so you can try this scenario. Yeah, thank you.